Hello everyone. Look behind me at this beautiful 2017 F150 King Ranch edition. I love this color. I love that red, and with the accent of the brown across the bottom, the King Ranch interior, or the chrome. It's just a beautiful truck. But unfortunately, we have a slight crease. So let's take a look at that and see what I'll be repairing today. Again, F150 King Ranch. It's kind of hard to see crease. It's right underneath the door handle in this area right there. So let me turn on some lights here, see if we can help show that damage. Get the camera adjusted. There we are. There it is. See that little light crease across there? It's just ruining this beautiful truck. So today we're going to take that out. No bondo, no repainting. Again, this is an aluminum truck. It's definitely more of a challenge. We have a laminated glass. You have to be very careful with not to break the glass, but it should come out really nice. Alrighty. Alright guys, we've got this truck finished up there. Crease, remember, was right underneath the handle. Right underneath the front side of the handle, right down here. It is gone. There, she's gone. Again, we'll plug in some light. If you hold just a second, there we are. All right, remember, underneath the handle, front edge of the handle. There we are. Those nice lines line up. Alright, she's good. Oh, here's a little, this is what I used as far as the tools go. This one tool, really sharp. I like to use that on aluminum. Zoom in on that deal. Yep. And then this is another door tool that I used. Nice long hook on it. And then this tool right here is kind of flat on the bottom. It looks like a whale's tail, and that's what it's called, whale tail. Then I have my stainless steel, back up, stainless steel window guard that slides down into here, protects the glass, and a little wedge here that opens up a gap just enough for these tools to slide down into the door. There's the tools I used. Okay. If I can assist you with paintless dent repair needs, find me on the web, or you can call me 731-267-9708. And thanks for watching.